Okay, here we are. Okay, just thought I'd do a quick little video just to let you know what's been happening. I've not been doing a great deal of content, especially like this with talking head content and stuff for a while now, because I've not had a proper studio set up recently. So I've just moved house. This is the new studio. I hope you like it. I'm absolutely loving it. It's still not finished, as you can see. There's panels on the floor. There's panels not even fixed to the walls and stuff yet. Spirit levels, staplers, everything. It's a complete mess and chaos. But I thought I'd at least jump on because I haven't really put anything on here in a while. So I thought I would do this and let you know. So currently building this, hoping to have this done and finished. Some lighting, some nice greenery and stuff like that in the next couple of weeks, and then I can start busting out some content. So let me know what you're struggling with at the moment. Let me know what you'd like to see. I've been doing a lot of those sound design, quick 1 minute sound design tips, which people have seemed to be enjoying, which is nice, but I'll continue to do them. But there's going to be some sort of more studio content as well. I was going to do a bit of a studio build with this video montage or whatever, but just kind of wanted to get in, and it's all been a bit chaotic moving house. So yeah, it's good to be back on YouTube like this, and yeah, I'm looking forward to getting some more content out. So let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.